What's going on? I'm Jagger.
I'm Colin.
So you know, like the whole teaser thing we said in the last video about how we're gonna put or build like an insane racing mower with an engine. What's gonna happen with that?
No.
Waiting. Hi. Have you acquired the payload?
Yes.
Unload the payload.
Go! So right there's the payload. You got this for 200 bucks, but as you can see, it's
Yeah.
So what?
Came out of one of our buddy's trucks. He did a thing to it. He never gave us a straight answer, so we don't really know. Hey, we're gonna rebuild this bad Chad.
So he claims that he was going up a pretty steep hill. This is what I've heard. I've heard about 3 different stories. Went up a hill, floored it, started knocking. That's where it's at. It's got 66,000 miles on it. It's a 98, right?
98.
98. So it's pretty nice. So we have the engine where it's gonna sit for a certain amount of time, pull off all the heads and stuff. We're just gonna let it vibe
Hi.
till it falls off.
Yeah.
So right here is the engine. Like we said before, 98 350 came out of our buddy's truck, rod knock, and that's it. That's where it's at. Because right now, Colin's plans for this are to just build the absolute, not the absolute crap out of it yet, until it blows up the first time it's rebuilt. And then
build the 350 out of it.
then we stroke it.
Then build the 383
Yep.
out of it.
This is all gone forever. Sell time. There's a little thingamawigger on the end of here that doesn't need to be here. These gaskets gone. It actually looks, it's very, very clean in here.
Yeah.
There's no sludge inside.
A little bit, but nothing.
Little bit on
nothing
this
crazy.
little. It's very, very nice. There you go, manhandling it. Gone. Bye.
Crap.
What do you have to say to that?
To this?
Yeah. Now what we're thinking is, we don't have an engine stand at the moment, but we're gonna be getting one. Is let's take off a head.
Done.
Our plan is to have this engine, because we're going to Summit in about a week,
weeks.
about 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
We're gonna start looking around. He's probably gonna be buying stuff depending on what he has, but.
Yeah.
Edelbrock intake, he wants the same carburetor that's on the El Camino, because it's just 4-barrel. It's just pretty insane. Probably gonna need to get a new crankshaft. All these valves, everything. That's like it's very, very clean. But then again, we're both noobs at it, and it can need a whole new heads for all we know. We don't know. It's dollar store time. We're probably gonna be going to the dollar store a lot. Bolts, we don't really want to lose them, get them all mixed up. So we're gonna get some Sharpies, a crap ton of dollar store bags. Let's go.
Let's go.
Dollar store run complete. Now we are taking, or he is taking off a head. First head coming off, hopefully. First head gone. Drop it, throw it. Please throw it. Let's see.
Look.
Oh yeah. Lot. Oh wow, yeah, look at that. It comes back immediately. These are actually like pretty good. The notch.
Oh, I have a parts cleaner, by the way.
You have a parts cleaner?
Yeah.
Yeah, all these pistons are definitely coming out.
Yeah.
It's gonna need new rings, bearings. They don't look that terrible though.
Horrible. They definitely have. I mean, a little bit of carbon buildup.
Oh yeah, that's
That's kind of
normal. That's one side.
All right.
Next,
Hey.
would you like to hit it again? Other head. Bye.
Not bad. A little
Damn.
dirty.
A little dirty, but not too shabby. Stripped.
Short block.
Short block. Look at that. Colin owns a V8 now. Start it up. Well, that's about all we can do. The engine right now, it's gonna sit in cocoon until we get an engine stand. Heads are over there. Everything's out. Everything's all labeled in boxes. The crankshaft's already out. That's just full of seals and timing and whatnot. So what's the next step for this thing?
Rebuild kit.
Rebuild.
And an engine stand.
Engine stand rebuild kit. Yeah, good luck with that.
Hi.